fill the gap for nutritious processed foods on the market, especially for urban dwellers, the Makerere University School of Food Science, Nutrition and Technology has come up with a range of nutritious foods. And amaranth, which is popularly known as dodo, is one of the 8 foods now being produced at the university.
We came across amaranth from communities about 5 years ago, and the people consuming amaranth were testifying that malnourished children were getting better, people wasted by HIV/AIDS were gaining weight, we call it body mass index, was increasing. And so we wanted to investigate what is it about amaranth that makes it, have those effects. So we went and analyzed the nutrient profile of amaranth. We looked at its protein. We found that it has a higher protein than most cereals. Maize, millet, sorghum, the common cereals we consume have about 7%. Amaranth can have up to 15% protein.
Not only did the food scientists find the plant containing a high amount of proteins, the quality of those proteins were also much better than what is found in most of the locally consumed cereals. This grain amaranth is also very rich in 2 essential amino acids that are said to be lacking in most other cereals. The experts also investigated claims that amaranth was good for people prone to chronic diseases such as high blood pressure and heart disease. The researchers found amazing results.
We found that it is predominantly unsaturated fat. There's 2 types of fat: the bad fat that clogs your blood vessels, and the good fat, the unsaturated fat that is healthy. Amaranth has close to 50% of the healthy fat. So that explains why it would be helpful for people with high blood pressure and conditions like that, like heart disease.
Besides, amaranth is rich in micronutrients, basically vitamins and minerals necessary for the proper functioning of the body. This variety of amaranth is said to grow very well in parts of eastern Uganda, northern Uganda, and in Nakasongola district. In the course of the study, the harvested amaranth grains were then brought to Makerere University for processing.
We choose processing methods that preserve those nutrients. In some cases, for instance, if you take beans, beans are potentially very nutritious, but they have a lot of anti-nutrients which prevent the body from utilizing the nutrients that are present. So when we process beans, we reduce the anti-nutrients, that bind the nutrients and prevent them from being used. And so then we make the product more nutritious. We can enhance the nutrients by adding, for instance, in this one we added vitamins and minerals.
The result has been a variety of products including cookies, amaranth flours and amaranth-based beans. Unlike most processed foods that are very high in sugar, fat and salt, all these products are natural with no added preservatives.
You read the label and see what is contained in that product, both in terms of ingredients, because the ingredient list should tell you exactly what is inside the product. And then there should be a nutrient composition table that you can look at and see the levels of the different nutrients.
Amaranth food products are recommended for all age groups, including children. Uganda is said to have the double burden of malnutrition, meaning a lot of people don't eat enough nutritious foods, while another group is said to be eating just too much beyond what their bodies need for proper functioning. Sadly, cases from both these groups are on the increase, and eating a well-balanced diet is the only way the problem will be solved. Experts, however, note that as much as these nutrient-enhanced foods are good, they are not the magic bullet to staying healthy. People still need to add fresh fruits and vegetables to their meals, as well as maintain a regular exercise regimen. Natukunda, NTV.